Right there guys, quick shout out to Lee Deaver, just dropping the microwave off. He wants to see what's inside one, so I thought I'd make this video for him. So brilliant for that. Cheers Lee. For the benefit of video, I just took screws out. It's quicker to get into it. That's a piece of steel. These ends are brass. Bear with 1 second, that's fine. Steel. Steel is also. As you can see, there's a copper bearing motor in there. I'm doing that, just snip ends off. Get rid of some wire. There's actually bits of brass in this, but I don't want to bother now. Put that in your wiring bag. You can see copper bearing motor. What you do is cut across, put it in your vise, cut it across there. Get your copper out, grade 1 copper. Put that in your grade 1. Get rid of your wiring. Steel. Get rid of magnet. Check both pieces. It is steel. There's actually a little piece of aluminium under here. If you unscrew that nut, that'll pop out. The rest of the steel. Getting rid of some wire. This actually got a switch, and these are actually silver plated. As you can see, they're tarnished. So you take this apart, take them out. If they're brass, then they're brass, but these are silver plated. Like I said, you can snip these off. They're actually brass. If you can get them out quick enough, pull them out. As you can see, when I do this one, I get off board. Use these kind of pliers or long nose pliers. If you hold it on end, you get a twist, and just pop out. That'll bring your weighing bag. Like this. See, these ends will be silver plated, but I don't mess with these, just snip them off. Let me get my other little cutters. All I'll do is just snip these off. You can put them in a box with different ends. As you can see, I'm working with gloves on because it's quite mucky. Don't want grease all on myself. It's a bit harder with gloves on. There's a big piece of copper and these little ends are to silver connections, so I'll snip these off, put them in silver plated. Put them to one side, doing a bit. So it can go in your wire bag or a wire bucket. That's steel. Always check your stuff. See on here, there's a cooling fan, actual cooling fan. Got low grade over some copper air motor. These ends are actually silver plated also. This is grade 2 copper. This is probably aluminium, which it is. So you take these pieces off. I throw these into steel, obviously snip wire off. So you can see it. See on here you've got low grade board IC chip, copper main motor. So take these off. That's one side. Turn it over, this copper main motor's actually held on it back. 4 screws. And this is your copper main motor. Be careful when you check these, when you take them apart, like I showed in my other videos. You can see that that's grade 2 wire. Sometimes the actual wire is aluminium, so do check, cut through it and see if it looks like aluminium. If it is, it's obviously aluminium. If not, it's copper, grade 2. See, that's a piece of steel with a bulb inside. There's 2 screws other side. The rest of the casing's actually steel. Sometimes these drop it in the house. Let's move that out of my way, get to my vise. Piece of steel, or a piece of brass. As you can see, these are them magnets that I use all the time. Aluminium, doesn't stick. As you can see in this, there's some copper, grade 2, so you'd pull that apart. So thanks for watching, please like and subscribe, and see you again.